This is just a couple of minute Kickstarter for doing this kind of a homework assignment. The first time you will have seen something like this. We're using the quiz component of Moodle, but it's not a quiz. It's just a homework assignment, which is the easiest way for me to get short answer responses from you to grade online. So when you take a look at it, the second point that I want to make is don't be thrown off or scared by 80 lines of code, because each one of them is individually pretty straightforward, and the questions will guide you to a specific line. So for example, this one, 44, what kind of data is use weighting? Is it an int, double, or a boolean? That would be a pretty easy question. But so you'll be guided to just individual lines from this. The second thing to note in a homework like this is I'll paste the code twice. Once what we did in class, or in this case something slightly improved, with the line numbers, so I can guide you to specific lines. But I'll paste it again. I'll paste it again without the line numbers. So if you want to paste this into your IDE, into IntelliJ IDEA, you can. And most of you won't even want to, but if you wanted the option to see how this actually works and get it working properly in your IDE, you could. So you just drag over everything, noting what the name of it is. Grading 2 is what it's called. You have to have that the same. And then it's just copy and paste. So copy. I'll go up and I'll make a new class called exactly what that's called, grading 2. Must already exist. Okay, so I'll do grading 3. And I'll just make sure that the file name, grading 3, matches what the class name is. And that should be fine. So now you can run it just like it is. Point number 3 that I wanted to make is, as mentioned up in the instructions, you'll for sure want to have 2 tabs open, right? So you can take a look at the code and then go answer the question. There's no other way around it, I don't think. So just copy the URL. It's the easiest way. Make a new tab, whatever browser you're using, whatever way you know how. And then you can go way down to the bottom and attempt the quiz, which is actually just an assignment. And now you can go back and forth between looking to see what's at line 22 and answering what's at line 22. So take your time. This is a 45-minute assignment if you take your time, but it's not that big of a deal. If you miss a couple of questions, that's not that big of a deal. So there you go. That'll get you kickstarted on this homework assignment.